Now there's two parts to this one. Here's the first part, the easiest part. And I'm just doing all downs with my plectrum. And here's the second part. So if you're having any issues reading tab, be sure to check out my guitar video on reading tab, and that will help you out. Here's the plectrum hand, slowly. And the next part. You'll want to be aiming to get this to about this speed. I'm using multiple fingers here. So the best thing is just to relax, and then you'll be able to go faster that way. So if you're not in the Guitar Practice VIP group, get yourself in there, where you can learn everything you need to know to advance your guitar playing.